Need to add or replace your Nissan Murano's intelligent key? As of 2025, you have options ranging from DIY methods to dealer assistance. The process depends on your Murano's model year. Newer models, 2023-2025, offer more user-friendly options like smartphone app pairing via Nissan Connect, potentially reducing the need for physical ignition cycling. Some third-party OBD2 scanners can program keys for most years, but 2025 models may require dealer intervention due to enhanced security. Keep in mind that improper programming can brick the immobilizer, leading to costly repairs, so proceed with caution and always refer to official Nissan guides. Remember, having at least one working key simplifies the process. Key fobs contain a transponder chip that communicates with the vehicle's immobilizer via RFID. For older Murano models, from 2003 to 2014, DIY programming is often possible using manual methods. Start by inserting a programmed key, then cycle the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Within 10 seconds, press the buttons on your new key fobs to program them. For newer models, programming typically requires the Nissan Connect app or diagnostic tools. You may need a PIN code obtained from a dealer to complete the process. Looking ahead, digital keys using NFC or Bluetooth are becoming more common. Batteryless fobs that harness kinetic energy and biometric keys with fingerprint recognition are also emerging technologies. A successful DIY case was reported on nissanforum.com, where a user reprogrammed a key using an OBD2 tool and a YouTube tutorial, saving $150. However, a case on edmunds.com showed that even using the Nissan Connect app required a dealer reset due to a software bug. According to AAA data, 32% of drivers have lost a key fob, with reprogramming costs averaging $120 nationwide. While app-based programming has reduced dealer visits, experts warn that DIY attempts can void warranties.